Loki, y'all, I've been trying to learn the is it called the footsie shuffle? I've been trying to learn it, but you know, my feet and my hand coordination is just not, it's just not there, you guys. It's just not there. All right, you guys, so we are already back with another one. Okay, we are back. We are getting these videos up and out for 2020. Okay, give me a thumbs up just for that. I am giving you all these videos, you guys. Like, I'm not playing with you guys this year. I need you guys subscribing. Okay, make sure you're doing that. I need us to be here. All right, you guys, so y'all know why we're here. Fenty has came through once again. Riri is just dropping products like from left to right. So here we are again with another product review. We have two launches that they basically did on the same day, which is a full frontal Fenty mascara along with the Fly eyeliner. I'm gonna start off with the Fenty Beauty full frontal mascara, and it's called Cause I'm Black. Hey, yes, cause I'm black, sis. This is how it looks straight out of the packaging, and I actually feel like it looks so much better in person. I love the packaging. It's like a silver hint of purple, and of course it cascades into this black top. All right, so when you open it up, this is how the mascara looks freshly out of the pack. Okay, so here is the mascara wand. It has the longer bristles at the top and the short one at the bottom, and this basically is supposed to be your all-in-one mascara. Theirs is a lot more on the flat side, whereas bristles usually go all the way around. They have them on either side. So according to Fenty's Instagram, this is supposed to be a long-wearing, waterproof, and smudge-resistant formula with a unique flat to fat brush head that volumizes, lifts, lengthens, and curls the lashes. So for the Fenty Fly eyeliners I picked up, I got She's a Problem, Bad Bride, and Lady Lagoon. I'm gonna tell you guys one major disappointment with these Fly liners is that it only has 0.3 grams or 0.01 ounce of product. That means these are gonna run out extremely fast, especially if you're using them every day. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch each liner for you guys so you can see how each liner looks on my skin tone. And the packaging is absolutely really cute. It does have more of a like triangle type of shape, so that's how they shape them. Has the color indicator at the bottom as well, so you know what color it is. So this very first one is Lady Lagoon. It's a pretty vibrant blue. Like, this one was one of the first ones I swatched. So the next one I have here is She a Problem, and this one is more of a peachy tone. So there is She a Problem right next to Lady Lagoon. As you can see, this is a lot more on the peachy side. It has more of that metallic shimmer to it as well. I really bought this to complement the peach palette that I bought from the Fenty Snap Shadows. And then the last one I have here is Bad Bride, and this one is the white liner. So there you go, there is the Bad Bride, and it is a white with shimmer in it as well. Now, one thing I did forget to mention as well, the Fenty Fly liners are supposed to be smudge resistant and water resistant just as much as the mascara. So I'm gonna start with the shorter haired side of the brush and then flip it over to the longer hairs to start to add the more length and definition. It does a really great job at separating your lashes, so that is definitely a plus. I feel like they're of course a little bit more defined and they're still separated. Sometimes mascaras, a lot of times mascaras tend to clump the lashes together, and a lot of women, we do hate that, but the Fenty mascara is actually not doing that at all. All right, so now I'm going to flip over to the other side and I'm going to start to Ooh, they are curling. They're curling. Wow. And I have my lashes have a little bit of curl, but not too much. But this is curling my lashes. Oh, wow. Oh my God. I love that. Look at my eyelashes. Like, wow, they're definitely curled. Like, usually I have to use like a lash curler beforehand to kind of get like a pre-curl, but it curled my lashes. That looks really bomb. Okay, so next I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to hit my bottom lashes a little bit. Alright, you guys, so here is how my eyelashes are looking with the Fenty Full Frontal Mascara, and I actually like it compared to the other mascaras I have in my collection. This would definitely become a staple for me because I love the idea of having the two-sided flat brush idea, and I also love that it actually curls your lashes. I think the easy part is getting the volumizing and lengthening, but the hardest part is getting one that actually curls. A lot of time mascaras don't even curl. Even when they have the curved wand, they don't even curl like that. All right, so next we're going to use one of our fly eyeliners. I'm going to go into Bad Bride, and I'm going to take this into my waterline. You guys that don't know, white eyeliner makes your eyes look a lot more open as opposed to black, where it tends to close them and make them look a lot smaller. Now, one thing I just discovered about the fly eyeliners is that they're not retractable. That means if I push up too much product, I can't roll it back. So for me, that's kind of a loss, because if I'm pushing up too much product and then I put the cap on, I run the risk of actually losing a little bit of product. So I'm going to actually go ahead and use the Lady Lagoon eyeliner, and I'm going to do a little bit of a small wing with this. It goes on really smooth. Like, look at that pigmentation. Wow. Oh my God. I feel like I need like a pair of lashes now. Like, wow, this looks exactly like the picture on the Fenty Beauty Instagram. Like, wow, that pigmentation is definitely there. The application was so smooth. Of course the Bad Bride white eyeliner was really smooth, but this is ridiculously smooth, and it's pigmented, and it just glided right on. Wow. I'm gonna go ahead and we're going to do a wing on the other eye. Okay, I just gotta make it match. I got to. Oh my God, this is so pretty. Oh my God, I love it. Oh my God, the Lady Lagoon looks so bomb. Let me give you guys a little profile so you guys can see the wing. Oh my God, the Lady Lagoon is popping. Now, honestly, I would put on lashes. I'm not gonna even lie, I would put on lashes, but it still looks great even if you do not wear lashes. The mascara definitely makes my lashes pop, but it's not the way I like to pop per se. All right, you guys, so that is basically all I have to say about the fly liners in the Fenty Beauty Full Frontal Mascara. These products, again, have not disappointed me whatsoever. I really just love how the look came out. I'm really impressed with the mascara. It definitely curls. That was the main thing for me, was, is the mascara going to curl? I love the brush shape. Very, very unique. I think this is definitely something that we need. We need uniqueness, we need newness, we need freshness on the market. The fly eyeliners as well, they're great products, but my only downfall about them is that the amount of product that's in there. It is 0.01. That is not a lot of product, especially if you're using this every day on a daily. You are going to run through these eyeliners so quickly. All right, you guys, so if you found this video very helpful and informative to you guys on helping you decide if you're going to pick up any of the Fly liners and the Full Frontal Mascara by Fenty Beauty, please let me know. Give me a huge thumbs up, and of course comment below and let me know what colors you were definitely interested in picking up as well. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.